One afternoon, Lila was drinking juice very quickly. Suddenly, she got the hiccups. Why does our
Uh-oh.
body do that? Inside our body, there is an important muscle called the diaphragm. It moves up and down to help us breathe. Sometimes the diaphragm suddenly contracts without control. Air rushes in quickly, the vocal cords close, and that makes the hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by eating too fast, drinking soda, laughing a lot, or sudden temperature changes in the stomach. Luckily, most hiccups go away on their own. Your body is just reacting for a moment, then everything goes back to normal.